Did you know that you can chat to Kale directly on WhatsApp? Just like messaging a friend, and everything you say is instantly connected with your Kale app. Let me show you how easy it is to schedule appointments this way. If I were to go to my Kale app, currently we have no appointments. If we go back to WhatsApp, I'll send a voice note and say something like this. Please schedule a property viewing with Jackson Miller this Friday at 1 p.m. for 123 Main Street. It's for a new couple who wants to see the backyard space. Send off the voice note. Currently in the background, Kale is listening to your voice note, and it now has sent me a message just to double check some spelling. Because when it comes to names and postal addresses, spelling is key. Right now, Kale has got all the spelling correct, so I'll say, all good. Perfect. The event with Jackson Miller at 123 Main Street for Friday 1 p.m. is booked. Perfect. Now let's just double check our Kale app. And there we go. Our event has been created. And here's what I love. You don't need to send one appointment at a time. You can ramble off everything in your head in one go. Something like this. Let's send another voice note. Okay, I've got a few things on my mind. First, schedule a follow-up call with the Smith family at Monday at 10 a.m. to discuss the offer on the townhouse. Then block out on Wednesday from 2 to 4 p.m. for a Teams meeting at the office. On Thursday at 9 a.m., remind me to call the photographer about the new listing photos. And add a coffee catch up with Sarah Jacobs on Friday at 9 a.m. just to go over her buyer requirements. Send that off. I've mentioned at least 4 different appointments that would have taken me a little bit of time to pull up my calendar and add that all manually. Right now, Kale has just double checked the spelling with me. Smith family, Sarah Jacobs. All good. Perfect. 4 events locked in. Let's check our calendar now within our Kale app. As you can see, every calendar event we just mentioned in our voice note has been scheduled for us. Not much manual labor required. One voice note and Kale takes care of it all for me with the right times, context, and details.